Welcome to the next tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be learning how to create a special file for the laser cutter, and that file is called a DXF file. So if I come back over here to the ring that we're going to be cutting out, if I come over to create, I've got this Save DXF for laser cutting little thing down here. You won't have that yet because you need to load that piece of software. So to do that, you go Utilities over here, the tab, and I think it's under Add-ins, that's right, and then you need to go to the Fusion 360 App Store. Once you do go to the App Store, it should open up for you. And from there, you will just type in DXF for laser. And we'll just go there and see what happens. Yeah, and it's DXF for laser just here. Here's the one. Don't get any of the others. And it's free, so you have to select onto it. And you might have to log into your Fusion account. And you're going Windows 64 just here, and then you are going to download, and then you're going to run that file. Then after you've downloaded and run that file, you come back here, and then under add-ins you can go to scripts and add-ins here under the add-ins, which is under the utilities tab. You go to add-ins, and then what you'll do is you'll find DXF for laser here. You select it, and then I think you actually go run. I think it'll have run here for you to do it. Yep, so run like that. So you just select on it and press run, and it will be ready to use. So how do we use it? Well, we come back to the solid tab, and anything that we want to be laser cut, we're going to hide everything else, every other component, except for the one that we want laser cut. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to get rid of this one, and all I have to do on the feature library over here, you can actually see I've got an eye. I'm going to select the eye, and now it's disappeared. It hasn't gone anywhere, I've just hidden it. So I'm going to hide here, here, and here, and this is the one that I want to laser cut. Get the DXF, so I go Create, Save for Laser Cut, select over the top, and it's got a kerf here. We don't want a kerf at all. So we're just going to get rid of that completely. And from there, let's see, it should give us the line around the outside that it's going to cut. And then we just go, let's see, okay, it's going to go cancel that. Let's try that again. So DXF for laser, I should be able to put in 0 millimeters there. Select the outside, and then okay, and then I can save it. So I could call this ring 1 or ring middle. You call them whatever you want, and obviously this is in downloads, and save it. And now in my downloads it'll be called that. Let's got this here. Sorry, I'm just going to kill that and then move into the others. There we go, delete. Okay, next thing, let's turn that one off and turn this one on, and I'll do the same thing. So now I go down to Save DXF for laser, select over that profile that I want laser cut, and then OK, and I can call this ring side. That's a pretty lame name, that's okay. And I unselect this and select this one. Well, I already have that, so it's exactly the same as this one here, so I don't have to do that one again, but I do need to do the top, which is here. So then I can select that, go down to laser cut, boom, okay, call that ring top, and then I've only got one more to go. Once you've done all those, you can put them into the laser software and laser cut them out. So this one over here would be not too dissimilar to that, where you just have to hide the component that you want and then just do the same thing. DXF for laser cutting, select, okay, And yeah, just work through that. And yeah, should be able to save all those up and get them ready for laser cutting. Okay, that's the end of this tutorial. Hope that was somewhat helpful.